How to transfer money from Zopa to another bank. Follow my instructions. First, open the Zopa Bank app on your phone and log in securely with your PIN or biometrics. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for smooth transfers. From the home screen, select the account you want to move money from. Tap on Payments or Move Money. Choose the option, Send to another bank. Now enter the recipient's account number and sort code. Type in the amount you want to transfer. You can add a reference if needed, so the recipient knows it's from you. Double-check all details carefully before continuing. Next, confirm the transfer with your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Zopa will process the payment instantly for most UK banks. In some cases, it may take up to a few hours, depending on the recipient bank. Once the money is sent, you'll get a confirmation message on the app. You can also see the payment in your transaction history. If something goes wrong, contact Zopa support directly for help. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Zopa to another bank quickly and securely. Thanks for watching.